Hey guys, so let's see the while loop. The while loop repeats a block of code while a condition is true. Consider the following example. While the player health is greater than 0, he can keep playing. To write a while loop, we start by typing the keyword while, followed by a boolean condition between parentheses. Just like with the if statement, the while also needs a condition that returns a boolean value. So, while the condition is true, the loop continues. It's that simple. But we need to pay close attention to avoid creating infinite loops. An infinite loop is a loop that never ends because the loop condition is always true. To prevent it, we need to make sure that the condition value is somehow changed to false while the loop is running.